Claire from 1 to 3 Marketing. I just wanted to record a short tutorial about an update that Google Business has added in the last day or so. If you have a Google Business listing, this is well worth knowing. So to access your business listing, just go to business.google.com and click on the listing. I've got several here because I'm managing them for other clients, but if you've just got one, it will take you directly to this screen. Now, Google has put a note here saying that there's limited Google Business functionality due to COVID-19. That would be due to lack of resource, as with so many businesses, people self-isolating, and also just demand on Google's service. However, one thing that they have done in your posts option, so I posted a day ago, just that we were open for business as usual, but running everything virtually. But this is something they've added. So they've added an option to do a COVID-19 update. So if you click on this, it's giving you an opportunity to update your status, telling customers about any changes to your business due to COVID-19. So it might be that you're reducing hours, that your physical shop has had to close, that you are temporarily closed, or you've got an online store that you're using. So do use this information just to let people know what you're doing. It's well worth taking just 5 minutes to do this. So I'm going to add in here, it's business as usual, albeit working virtually using Zoom for 1 to 3 marketing, sending everyone best wishes, stay safe and well at this extraordinary time. So even a quick message like that is well worth adding. So I'm going to add, I'm actually not going to add a button because I don't have anything that I want people to click through to. But if you were to be saying that you had an online store, you could do an order online, and then you would add, I'll just show you how to do that. You would then just add your website here. But I'm not going to add anything for mine. And then you publish. And that will just appear on your listing. Now, there's no option on here to add a picture, so I would recommend you also add a post, so an update, just with a nice image, just to share with your customers. So I hope that's been useful. As I say, it's just a very quick tutorial. If you've got any specific questions on Google Business, just drop me a line, claire@1to3.co.uk, or pop a comment under this post wherever you're seeing it, and we'll be happy to try and help. Take care, everybody. Thank you.